At the least, aggressive driving habits can waste fuel and cause unnecessary vehicle wear and tear. At the worst, unsafe driving can potentially cause collisions and injury, leading to expensive litigation. Monitoring, and more importantly, addressing these bad habits is now easier than ever with telematics devices. Track risky actions like speeding, harsh braking, and harsh cornering in real time. Set up live in-vehicle alerts to remind drivers when risky driving behavior is detected, or use historical trend reports to identify which drivers need additional training at a later date. From a mobile phone or computer, you can easily stay on top of day-to-day fleet activities such as unsafe driving behavior, GPS routing, geofencing, fuel efficiency, and more. Use telematics to get the most out of your vehicles and the best out of your drivers. To get the most out of your fleet maintenance and management operations as a whole, combine telematics with our EMDECS software solution to find efficiency at every level. Visit www.brightorder.com/telematics to find out more.